Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your own breathing. In and out. There's no need to change it or force it. Simply allow your awareness to rest upon that natural, life-giving flow. With each exhale, you can release any tension you might be holding in your shoulders, your jaw, your forehead, and with each inhale, you draw in a sense of calm, of presence, of readiness. Like you are here now, in this moment of stillness. And it's perfectly okay to be exactly as you are. You may have arrived with thoughts of the day, of tasks, of hopes, or of challenges, and that's all perfectly natural. For now, you can simply let those thoughts drift by like clouds passing across a vast, peaceful sky. And not for now, without needing to follow them, allowing your mind to grow quiet and spacious and open. And as your mind settles, you can bring your awareness gently down into your body, feeling the solid support beneath you, the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the subtle sensations in your hands and your feet. You are here, fully present and safe. I invite you now to recall a moment, any moment, and as you recall that moment, begin to step back into it. See what you saw then. Hear the sounds that were present, and most importantly, reconnect with the feeling, that feeling of satisfaction, that feeling of capability, that quiet inner knowing that you had done well. Now that feeling grow and intensify in your awareness now. Notice where you feel it in your body. A warmth in your chest, a lightness in your being, a sense of strength in your posture. This feeling is a resource. It is proof of your ability to succeed, and you can access it whenever you choose. Now, as you hold this feeling of accomplishment, I invite you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. Go ahead and make that gentle connection now. And as you do, imagine you are anchoring this powerful, resourceful feeling right into that simple gesture. Every neuron of that feeling, every vibration of that success is being coded into this anchor. Sunder. You are creating a neurological link, a shortcut to confidence. Now, release the anchor and let the feeling settle deeply within you. We are going to go deeper now. With your next breath, I am a magnet for success and positive achievement. My thoughts, my feelings, and my actions are perfectly aligned with my highest goals. With every breath I take, I am programming my mind for victory. I see my goals with crystal clarity. They are not distant dreams, but imminent realities taking shape in my mind's eye. Eifliv Lord stadeduis pord for not ford. My hoppish scored perfectly. My vision is so clear, so compelling, that it pulls me forward effortlessly. I possess an unshakable belief in my own ability to succeed. I possess an unshakable belief in my own ability to succeed. This belief is not arrogance. It is a quiet, deep-seated knowing, as fundamental as my heartbeat. I trust my instincts. I trust my intelligence. I trust my capacity to learn, to adapt, and to overcome. Challenges do not diminish my belief. They strengthen my resolve and expand my resourcefulness. My mindset is one of abundance and opportunity. I see possibilities where others see obstacles. I understand that the universe is infinitely resourceful, and I am a conduit for that creative energy. There is more than enough success. I welcome growth and embrace the lessons within every experience. Still, I understand that true success is a journey of constant evolution. So-called failures are simply feedback, rich with data, guiding me toward a better, more effective approach. I release the need to be perfect. I embrace the power of being a resilient and intelligent learner. I can feel this resilience like a strong, flexible tree within me, bending but never breaking. I manage my state effortlessly. I can access calm, confidence, and creativity at will, just as you accessed that feeling of accomplishment earlier. I am the master of my inner world, and therefore the architect of my outer world. I attract supportive people, beneficial circumstances, and perfect timing. Manage my hut. My positive energy and clear intention act as a beacon, drawing to me the mentors, the partners, the resources, and the opportunities that are in harmony with my mission. I collaborate with ease. I communicate my vision with passion and clarity. I am grateful for every person who contributes to my journey, and I contribute generously to the success of others. I take inspired action from a place of alignment, not force. Sadab. I am connected to a wellspring of inner wisdom that guides my decisions. I listen to the quiet nudges of intuition, and I act upon them with courage. My work feels like a natural expression of my... I celebrate every step, every milestone, every victory, large and small. The celebration fuels my motivation and reinforces my successful identity. The celebration fuels my motivation and reinforces my successful identity. My each first way that's Bada scarred inside of, I am worthy of success. I am worthy of abundance. I am worthy of the profound fulfillment that comes from realizing my potential. This worthiness is not earned by my deeds. It is my birthright, and I claim it now fully and completely. My success is inevitable because it is born from who I am becoming. I am not chasing success. I am embodying it. You're with every thought of confidence. I build it. An inner knowing surge through you once more, stronger now, amplified by these affirmations. Let us, success is not a distant destination. It is the very quality of my present moment being. And now, gently reactivate your anchor. Press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. Feel that powerful wave of accomplishment, capability, and inner knowing surge through you once more, stronger now, amplified by these affirmations. This is your state. This is your Imagine yourself tomorrow, moving through your day with this new programming active. Feel yourself facing a task with calm focus. Hear yourself speaking with assured clarity. Feel that underlying current of knowing that you are capable and on the path. Remember, this is not a fantasy. This is a preview of your new reality. Now, imagine yourself 1 week from now. Feel that ibopokus, notifocus to praktamashni. Studdles denon well the tangen you hate, and say for the childido. This is you living from your success mindset. And see yourself 1 month, 3 months, 1 year from now. Hey, yourself, opportunities seem to present themselves more easily. Feel how your resilience handles any minor setbacks with a shrug and a quick strategic pivot. Observe the natural discipline that guides your actions without internal struggle. This is you, living from your success mindset. Hey on, see yourself 1 month, 3 months, 1 year from now. Witness the tangible results that have manifested from this inner shift. The goals achieved, the growth realized, the profound sense of fulfillment that comes from being the creator of your own experience. This future is already being created in the neural networks of your mind in this present moment. Bring your awareness gently back to your breathing. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.